In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Exodus to another wallet. Firstly, open the Exodus mobile app, then tap the wallet icon. Scroll or swipe down to find the crypto asset you want to send, then tap on it. Now, tap the Send button on the left side of your wallet. If the asset is available on multiple networks, choose the correct network for your transaction. Now pass the destination address or use the QR scanner to scan the recipient's QR code. You can now also manually enter the address, not recommended unless you're absolutely sure, because typos can result in lost funds. Tap Continue. A warning will pop up. If it's your first transaction, just tap OK to confirm you understand that it's permanent. Enter the amount to send, then tap the switch icon to choose between crypto or fiat. Minimum Bitcoin send amount is 546 satoshis. Just tap the advanced icon, then set the custom fee, then enable RBF, which is replaced by fee for Bitcoin. Now add a personal note, just tap confirm, tap review, then review all the transaction details. If everything looks good, slide the arrow to send the funds.